Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are seeing error 7235, it usually points to browser or DRM issue, meaning Prime Video can't securely play the video due to settings, extensions, or outdated components. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix error 7235 on Prime Video in 2026. Simple and effective. So you have to know that error 7235 is usually browser related. It's common on Chrome, Edge, and Firefox. It's often caused by DRM or extensions. Okay, so focus on browser plus permissions. So first thing you can do is enable DRM, like protected content. Okay, so on Chrome or Edge, go to settings, privacy and security, and tab site settings and enable protected content. It's required for streaming licensed content. You can disable extensions, so turn off ad blockers or privacy extensions and reload Prime Video. Extensions often block DRM script. You can also update your browser as a whole, like open browser settings, check for updates, restart browser. It fixes compatibility issues and everything. Okay, you can also clear browser cache and cookies. So go to settings, okay, privacy, clear browsing cache, browsing data, select cache plus cookies, and after that restart browser. Okay, so it removes corrupted data. You can also try another browser like Open Prime Video in a different browser. It helps confirm if the issue is browser specific. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.